Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is a Jeep Liberty 3.7 liter. Our problem here is that we have one coil misfiring. There is no signal out of it. And that coil is here. This is this wire here. This wire here. That's the coil wire. But we say that maybe let's check the crankshaft sensor wire. You see this wire here? Gray and black. That's the crankshaft sensor wire. When we put it in and we test it, you see here, without connection, we put one in the ground and we put by voltmeter. The good crankshaft sensor signal in this car, when the car is running, is supposed to be like this. That's cylinder number 1 notch location, and this is how it's working. So if you have any reading different than this one, that means you have to diagnose this car, or you have to send. You see, everything look very nice, clean. This is the crankshaft sensor in the connector number 2. That's connector, the second ferris connector, 2, 3, 4. So this is the one, and that's the wire. There's a crankshaft sensor wire. Gray and black. Black, you see? And if you need the pin, you say bead 29, orange and pink, that's the 5-volt reference. Gray and black, that's the sensor signal. And black and light blue is the ground. Thank you for watching.
Get it.
Because this one here, touch this.
What is it? What happened?
No. Start it. We ground the crank signal.
Okay. So
No, the car is good, but I feel like no misfire. What happened? Is it running good now?
no?
Still misfire. There is nothing there.
Okay.
The wire is...
If you force the coil to fire.
Huh?
If
Okay.
you force a coil to fire. Now you just plug in this current inside.
Oh yeah, to disable it and enable it. Okay.